Are you tired of jumping between platforms to handle BigCommerce orders and customer inquiries? Well, buckle up, because we've got something special for you. Introducing our BigCommerce extension for Zoho Desk. Now you can manage all your BigCommerce orders and track customer interactions right from your Zoho Desk. Stick around as we dive into what our extension can do. Here is the extension configuration process. Select the department and profile which you want. Click Connection tab. Authorize the OAuth connection. The connection authorized successfully. Click Configuration tab. Here you should give some details. Go to your BigCommerce store admin login, then go to Settings menu and scroll down up to last. Here see API section and select store level API accounts. Then click the Create API account button in the right side top corner. In this section, you need to add name and API access scopes. To add names and to give the following OAuth scope permissions, and click the Save button. Here, BigCommerce generated new API access token credentials for accessing the store data via APIs. To copy the credentials, click the copy icon and paste the credentials to the Zoho Desk extension respective fields. In the Tickets module, you can see all the BigCommerce orders associated with the ticket email. You can search for specific order ID. Also, you can search for order status. Click the order. You can see the order details like order status, financial status, order created date and time. In the Detail tab, you can see ordered product details, shipping details, payment details. Also, you can view the amount paid by customer. Go to the Customer tab. You can see the BigCommerce customer details like customer name, mail, phone, billing and shipping address if exists. Here, our extension has Actions button. Using this action button, you can link the order to ticket and refund your order. Here, I'll explain you how to do this. Click Link to Ticket option. Displays the message like this. This feature allows users to pin the particular order for ticket so you can view the order beforehand whenever you open the ticket. Note that this feature is exclusively available within the Ticket module. Reload the extension, you can view the order as prior. You can go to the All Orders list view using the All Order button. Next, let's see how to initiate the refund process. Click on Refund option. The form will appear to capture your refund details. You can proceed with full refund option. Also, you can make partial refund. Enter the reason or note for the refund process, then select the amount you want to refund. Note that you can only refund the amount that are mentioned here. Click Submit button. Refund is processing. You can see that. Now amount refunded for the order. You can check this in your BigCommerce store. Also, you can see the refunded amount in Detail tab. You can do the same process for Customer module in Zoho Desk. In Customer module, you can see all the BigCommerce orders associated with the customer's email. You can process refunds and view order details, similar to what we see in the Ticket module section. Thanks for watching this video.